What if I told you the way you spend the first hour of your day could completely transform your productivity, your health, your mindset, and ultimately your life? Because here's the truth. Your morning routine is either your launch pad or your anchor. And most people are waking up, grabbing their phone, reacting to the world before they've even taken a deep breath. In this video, we'll build a step-by-step morning routine that doesn't just look good on paper. It works. No fluff, no 4 a.m. wake-ups required, just real, sustainable habits that change the way you show up every day. Mornings are powerful because they set the tone for everything else. Think of your brain as a sponge. When you wake up, it's clean, fresh, and ready to absorb. What you feed it in those early minutes determines how you think, feel, and act for the rest of the day. Science backs this up. Your cortisol levels spike in the morning, which means your body is already wired for alertness and energy. But if you flood it with stress, emails, notifications, bad news, you short-circuit that natural rhythm. A solid morning routine doesn't just make your day better. It makes your life better. And it all starts with 5 core elements. The first step is simple but crucial. Wake up with intention. Forget the idea that you need to rise at 4:30 a.m. to be successful. That works for some people, but not for everyone. What matters is consistency. Try waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Before you touch your phone, do something grounding. Open the curtains. Take a few deep breaths. Say something kind to yourself. Bonus tip, leave your phone across the room and use a sunrise. Alarm clock instead. It trains your body to rise more naturally and reduces that jarring shock of a loud alarm. Next, calm the mind before the chaos. A few minutes of mindfulness or meditation can lower stress, improve focus, and elevate your mood. If you're new to this, start small, just 2 to 5 minutes. Sit up, close your eyes, and follow your breath. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Or try guided meditations from apps like Headspace or Insight Timer. If meditation isn't your thing, no problem. Try simply sitting in silence, journaling your thoughts, or sipping tea while looking out the window. The goal is to be present before the world pulls you away. With your mind calm, it's time to engage it. Morning journaling clears mental clutter. Try this simple template. One thing you're grateful for. One thing you want to accomplish. One thing you're letting go of. Alternatively, read a few pages of something uplifting. Avoid doom scrolling, no news or social feeds. Feed your brain wisdom, not worry. Doing this consistently rewires your brain to seek clarity, focus, and growth. Your body needs to wake up too, and movement is the key. This doesn't mean a full-on workout. Just stretch. Do 10 jumping jacks. Walk outside. Practice yoga or mobility work. Whatever you choose, make it easy and enjoyable. Exercise, even in small amounts, boosts dopamine and serotonin, natural mood enhancers. Plus, it improves circulation and energy for the rest of the day. Pro tip, lay your clothes out the night before. Remove friction and make it automatic. Now take 5 minutes to map out your day. Don't just list tasks, set intentions. Ask yourself, what's the one thing I must do today to feel accomplished? What might distract me? How do I want to feel throughout the day? Use a notebook or digital planner. Keep it simple. Visualizing your goals first thing in the morning gives your brain direction, and that builds momentum. Here's the beautiful part. You don't have to do all of this perfectly. Start with 1 or 2 steps. Stack them slowly. Give yourself grace. Your morning routine isn't about adding stress. It's about reclaiming your time, your space, your energy. Imagine starting every day feeling calm, clear, and in control. That's not just possible. It's a choice you make every morning. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more life design content. Comment below. What's one change you'll make to your morning starting tomorrow? Let's build mornings that build us back.